So let's get to the question, how do you get your kids to listen? Here's the first thing to keep in mind. They want your attention. You already know that. But unfortunately, you're probably giving better, more interesting attention for misbehavior than for positive behavior. So let's flip that upside down. The first thing you want to do in order to increase your kids' cooperation is to spend some special time with them every day. One parent, one child, relaxed, fun, give them positive attention. That's going to keep your child more positive and more cooperative in the long run because you're filling up their attention bank. The second thing you want to do is ignore negative behavior to the best of your ability because your attention is an ice cream cone. So if your kids are in the other room and they're playing really nicely and then suddenly somebody throws a truck across the room, what happens? You run in there and you're all interesting and animated and saying lots of things. You just gave them attention for negative behavior. What we want you to do is when they're in the other room playing nicely, we want you to run in there and pay attention to that because children are motivated by your attention. So the third step is use what we call effective praise. Go in there and say, look at you two guys playing with Legos and sharing nicely. I love it. High five, high five. Or do a mommy or a daddy dance. Lots of attention for the positive behavior you do want. That's how you get cooperative kids.